At Highway and Heavy Parts, we do parts differently. We won't just sell you any part, we won't sell you just the lowest price part, and we certainly won't sell you a part from an inferior supplier. We take painstaking measures to identify and bring on board only the best quality aftermarket parts from reputable suppliers with the best profit margin opportunities for our customers. And our mission is to provide the best possible advice to ensure the parts we sell get the job done at your satisfaction. That's why we're pleased to announce we now offer genuine Bosch exhaust gas treatment components for heavy-duty diesel applications. Today we're featuring the Bosch Denoxtronic 2.2 dosing and supply module for Cummins engines. The unique thing about these parts is that one part is designed to work with multiple Cummins engine applications. That's right, multiple engines, one solution. The dosing module is OEM part number 2888173. It works with the Cummins ISX, the ISB, the ISC, and the ISL. The supply module is OEM part number 4387304, and it works with many Cummins engines and Cummins engines inside pack car applications. For a little background info on these components and the exhaust gas treatment systems, we need to go back to 2010. That's when the Environmental Protection Agency mandated the worldwide limits for emissions from motor vehicles continuously be reduced. And to address the requirements for lower emissions, Bosch developed the Denoxtronic system, which quickly became the leading OEM emission solution utilizing selective catalytic reduction technology. The Bosch Denoxtronic system is an important part of the exhaust gas treatment system in commercial and off-highway vehicles. It controls and doses the injection of diesel exhaust fluid such as AdBlue into the exhaust gas stream to reduce NOx emissions. The Denoxtronic 2.2 system is comprised of the supply module, the SCR catalytic converter, and the dosing module. According to the operating state of the engine and the emissions values, the right quantity of DEF is injected into the SCR catalytic converter. A chemical reaction in the SCR catalytic converter reduces the emission values in the exhaust gas. Nitrogen oxide and ammonia are transferred into water and nitrogen. The diesel exhaust fluid is a solution made from urea and demineralized water. Bosch Denoxtronic filters protect the entire Denoxtronic system. The filter should be replaced according to the vehicle's manufacturer's specification. This is often overlooked and should be a key part of vehicle overall maintenance program. As I mentioned before, the unique thing about the system is that Bosch designed it so that one dosing module part number works with multiple Cummins engines, and one supply module part number works with multiple Cummins engines. That means if you're a repair shop, you can stock up on these parts so you're prepared for whatever comes in the shop needing exhaust gas treatment service, effectively reducing your customers' downtime, increasing your productivity. Be sure to inspect all the Denoxtronic components before replacing just one single part. Ultimately, if you want peace of mind knowing your rig won't get stuck in the dreaded limp mode, I'm sure you'll agree that the reward far outweighs the risk. In addition to Cummins, we also offer Denoxtronic supply modules and dosing modules for Caterpillar, Perkins, Case New Holland, John Deere, Doosan, Bobcat, Hino, Isuzu, Mack, and Volvo. Common rail systems have become the state-of-the-art in modern commercial vehicles. This offers a huge potential for every diesel repair shop, as these component packages for common rail systems of almost any vehicle manufacturer. No matter the engine application, at Highway and Heavy Parts, we're committed to providing our expert knowledge and exceptional customer service to get you the right part at the right time, the first time. With the highest quality aftermarket parts and the lowest warranty rate in the business, Highway and Heavy Parts takes the risk out of buying diesel engine parts. If you have any questions about our genuine Bosch exhaust gas treatment components or any other parts, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.